In today's video, I will walk you through how to create custom labels in Salesforce. To begin, move to the top right area of your Salesforce screen and locate the Quick Settings option. Select Quick Settings and continue by choosing Open Advanced Setup. Salesforce will then load the setup page where different platform tools and configuration settings are available. Once the setup page finishes loading, move to the left side menu and continue scrolling through the Platform Tools section. Locate the area labeled User Interface. After finding User Interface, continue by selecting the Expand option so the additional settings become visible. After expanding the User Interface section, continue scrolling through the available options until you locate Rename Tabs and Labels. Once you find it, select Rename Tabs and Labels to open the page where label names can be modified in Salesforce. After the page loads, Salesforce will display the available tabs and labels that can be renamed. Continue by reviewing the list shown on the screen and select the label you want to customize. In this example, the selected label is Cards. After locating the label you want to update, continue by selecting Edit. Salesforce will then open the editing section where the tab and label names can be changed for the selected language configuration. Inside the Edit section, move to the field where the new tab name can be entered. Continue by typing the updated label name you want Salesforce to display. In this example, the singular label is entered as Cart1. After entering the singular label, continue to the plural label field and enter the plural version of the label. In this example, the plural label is entered as Carts1. Once both label fields have been completed, continue reviewing the updated names displayed on the screen. After confirming the changes, move down through the page and select Save. Salesforce will then process the updated label configuration and apply the Rename tab and label settings to the selected language inside the account. Wait a few moments while the page reloads and updates the configuration. Once the save process is completed, the custom label changes will become active inside Salesforce. The process includes opening Advanced Setup, expanding the User Interface section, selecting Rename Tabs and Labels, choosing a label to edit, entering the new singular and plural labels, and saving the updated configuration inside Salesforce. If the setup page takes a few moments to update during the process, wait for Salesforce to finish loading before continuing. Once the changes are saved successfully, the updated custom labels will remain applied inside the selected Salesforce configuration. After the page reloads and the updated labels appear, the process for creating custom labels in Salesforce will be completed successfully. Thank you for watching.